こんにちは。In this video, you'll learn the basic ways of using the word たくさん with three sentence patterns. First of all, we use たくさん to say I do a lot. For example, I ate is 食べました。If you want to say I ate a lot, you can say たくさん食べました。This sentence tells us that the amount you ate is a lot. I bought is 買いました。If you want to say I bought a lot, you can say たくさん買いました。This sentence tells us that the amount of things you bought is a lot. I studied is 勉強しました。Again, if you want to say I studied a lot, you can say たくさん勉強しました。This sentence tells us that the amount you studied is a lot. We can use たくさん to say many something or lots of something with the object or verb sentence pattern. Let's see an example. I ate an apple is リンゴを食べました。If you ate many apples, you can say たくさんリンゴを食べました。Please note that the word たくさん can also be placed after the particle を So you can say リンゴをたくさん食べました to say the same thing. Another example is I took a picture. 写真を撮りました。If you took a lot of pictures, you can say たくさん写真を撮りました。Again, たくさん can also be placed after the particle を So you can say 写真をたくさん撮りました to say the same thing. We also use たくさん to say there are many things using the thing があります sentence pattern. There is a book is 本があります。If you want to say there are many books, you can say たくさん本があります。たくさん can also be placed after the particle が So you can say 本がたくさんあります to say the same thing. I have homework is 宿題があります。I have lots of homework is たくさん宿題があります。And again, you can also say 宿題がたくさんあります to say the same thing. Today you learned the basic use of the word たくさん with three sentence patterns. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。